Hello everyone, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and in this video we are meeting to understand the month of October. So specifically this video is for you all Aries. Everyone who's Aries will be watching this video and you'll be sharing also with all your friends who are Aries. So let's see what all the October month has for the zodiac sign Aries. Okay, let me see. Tarot, please tell me what is your message for the zodiac sign Aries. All right. Wow, awesome. And 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Correct. Aries is that you might not diagnose actually what is happening with you, or there will be a wrong diagnosis. All right, so double check if any health issue arises. I am not saying that in this month I see an health issue for you. This is not what I am saying. But even if a small health issue arises, go for 2 opinions at least. All right, so there might be wrong diagnosis, or you might feel that it is, I should go this way to clear my health issue, but actually the other way was fine. So it's like a weird puzzle that you might go through if at all you have kind of health issue. All right, I hope you understood what I meant. So kabhi kabhi chalawa hota hai na, this is what I say. Confused state of mind. I go to the wealth now. Now what happens is you all are having wealth. Wealth is there, but you might still feel a little insecure and victimized. As in, you might see a pending list of payments to be done, or a future list of payments that you need to do, and you might get a little overwhelmed or insecure. So I would just suggest that you all should actually plan your savings better in the month of October. You're not running out of funds. This is not what I am saying. The only thing is perception towards money would be a little burdensome, and whatever vibration we give to any energy, all right, the energy gives that vibration back. So if you give the energy of burden to your bills, to your debts, or to future coming expenses, then that energy will come back. So here I am saying that yes, there will be a position in this month where you will feel, oh, these many, some birthdays there, some celebration is there, or you have to make some payments, and you will get a little overwhelmed. Oh, this is in my account, I have this much of money, and if I give this much of money, then how much will remain? Don't get overwhelmed. Look at the bills, and this is my tip for most of the people with wealth. Whenever you take a look at the bill, you should first express gratitude to the bill. Just take bill in your dominant hand. आप बिल ले लो और डोमिनेंट हैंड में लेके उसकी तरफ देखो, और एक ही अगर हाथ यूज करना है तो डोमिनेंट हैंड यूज कीजिए. दोनों हाथ यूज करना है तो नॉन डोमिनेंट हैंड में बिल को रख के डोमिनेंट हैंड ऊपर रखिए. दीज आर द 2 ways that you can do it. I generally take the bill in the dominant hand, look at it, express a lot of gratitude that God has given me the affordability to pay you. All right, and I always say, for now I am paying this much of money, but you should come back in multiples of 4, or whatever you feel like. So I generally say come back in multiple of 4. So I pay my electricity bill, my phone bill. I would just write these days. So there are softwares. I know you might be paying it through GPay or Paytm or something like that. So no worries. Take your phone in your non-dominant hand. Keep your dominant hand on the phone and say, all right, Thank you that right now I have the affordability, I have the money to pay. But right now I'm paying this. I want you to come back in multiples of 4, multiples of 100, multiples of whatever you feel you deserve. Right? This is how you should be dealing with money, because especially you Aries will go through that overwhelming state in October is what I am seeing. So it's okay if there is a load of a pressure of money, but don't take it as a burden. Okay, money is man-made. Money is not God-made. It can be sorted. It can be sorted very logically, right? Perfect. We go to career. My God, you'll be working a lot. You'll be working a lot, a lot, a lot. Yeah. See, minting. This guy is minting money. And I don't mean money, but you'll have a lot of work. You might overwork, okay? So you need to take small breaks, at least in a day or maybe in a week, for yourself. So work shows hell lot of calculations here. Work shows most of your time will be given in October for work. But there's one thing that I would need to tell you. This month, for you all is such that whatever you will be doing, all right, and if you get the money out of that or you get the credit out of that, it will not be useful for you only. Other people will use it more. All right. So, for example, if your salary comes, all right, this month, most of the salary will be going in making others happy. So you will be using your salary less. If any tender comes out and you won the tender, but others will take the credit more than you. I don't mean to say that you won't get the credit. You will get the credit, but others will get the credit more than you. All right. Yeah, I hope you understood what I said. I'm happy actually with your cards. It's a little interesting time for you all, Aries. I would say so. Now relationships. You will expect lot from the relationships. You will expect a lot from the relationships, and I can see that. Maybe you're overworking. Maybe you're working so much that you expect someone to take care of the house, take care of the kids, take care of your daily chores. So you will expect a lot from others, but that is not what will happen. And I would say this is the month that you do things yourself. Every month, every circumstance comes with an experience and comes with a learning. So I would say that this is the month you should just keep this in your mind, that I have to do my daily work also, I have to do my professional work also, I have to counsel myself also, and I have to enjoy also. So this is a month where you will be in a lot of self introspection. You'll be in a lot of with yourself, and don't expect too much from relations. I don't mean to say that relations will not give you whatever it is, but here this month is more about you giving others than others giving you. Don't worry, only 1 month, right? I'm only talking about October. Let's see what comes in November. I will definitely tell you. But in October, this is giving time more than taking time. So if you accept this right now, right here, it will be always better for you. All right. Then we get to certain external influences. What will happen from you externally is it's a happy card. Okay, it's a good card. It's a card about money. All right, it's a card about money. So you will get external help. I told you about money, and I told you do not look at money as burden. And here tarot is telling you that you have a blessing. If you need money from some other source, you will get it from some other source. So there's help. Help is provided for you this month. So be very, very, very happy about it. I'm so glad. I am so glad about you. So this is a new spread that I have developed, where I asked tarot what are the other influences for a person, what are the external influences for a person. And Aries, you should be really, really happy, because Money is your external influence. Even if it shows that money might become a little overwhelming this month, but it also shows that you will get external help. So if you want any help, go to your mama, go to your papa, go to your friends and pay them off. Okay, because there are many times that I talk about karma. So I always say that even if I bargain about even 1 rupee with anyone, that time I feel good and happy. But then I have to take another birth to even give that 1 rupee back, and the other person also has to. So never do this. So if you take money, give it back ASAP. Varna karma badta hai ASAP. And a tip for you. Alright, I again told you it's more like giving, showing light to others. You will find many people in this month coming to you, asking for help, asking for advice. Okay, many friends will come and cry on your shoulders. Oh, I have a boyfriend issue, I have a girlfriend issue, I have money issue, I have whatever. And you will think, oh God, I am also going through issues. Now what do I do? But this is the time that you counsel. Get the counselor out and you counsel others, help others, and you will get the satisfaction and happiness. And for money, I always say that citrine plays a good role in money. I always say use citrine if you know that any kind of money problem is gonna come. So this is one of my best. No, this is a bracelet, but crystals you get in many shapes and sizes, and you can use clusters, you could use tumbles, you could use pendants, you could use anklets or earrings or even rings for that matter. So citrine in any shape you can use, and this will really help you stabilize your money and also attract good amount of money. So that's the tip for Arians this time. I hope that it really helped you and it will really help you. So please subscribe, because every month I'm going to talk about how that month is going to fare for you. So please subscribe, please share this with others and help them also in their life journey. Thank you so much.